Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom, where we expose manipulation, reclaim truth, and help survivors step into strength, wisdom, healing, and peace. There comes a moment in a narcissistic relationship when something changes. You stop explaining. You stop chasing. You stop defending yourself against accusations that were never true. Most importantly, you stop allowing someone else to control your emotions, your choices, and your peace. That moment can catch them off guard. They expected you to remain predictable. They expected you to keep forgiving without accountability, accepting disrespect, and constantly trying to prove your love. But then something happened. You woke up. You started seeing the pattern instead of isolated incidents. You recognized the manipulation behind the words. You noticed how conversations somehow always ended with you feeling guilty. And you realized something important. The person demanding control over your life was never entitled to control you. That realization is where freedom begins. You did not stop them by becoming cruel. You did not stop them by seeking revenge. You stopped them by becoming unavailable for manipulation. When they accuse you, you stop spending hours trying to prove yourself. When they provoke you, you stop taking the bait. When they rewrite history, you stop exhausting yourself trying to convince them. When they withdraw affection, you stop chasing their approval. You begin choosing peace over proving yourself. You begin choosing wisdom over reaction. You begin choosing yourself. Manipulation depends on emotional access. If they can make you angry, they can keep you engaged. If they can make you afraid, they can keep you controlled. If they can make you feel guilty, they can keep you explaining yourself. But when you become emotionally grounded, those tactics lose their power. Not because you stopped caring, because you started seeing clearly. Not because your heart became cold, because your heart became protected. Sometimes what they call your change is actually your healing. You did not become cold. You became discerning. You did not become selfish. You learned your needs matter too. You did not become difficult. You simply stopped accepting everything to keep the peace. For many survivors, this is one of the hardest lessons to learn. You may have spent years monitoring moods, choosing your words carefully, apologizing quickly, and ignoring your own pain. But eventually, a question rises inside. How much of myself did I lose while trying to keep someone else satisfied? That question can become the beginning of healing. Because healing is not about becoming someone new. Healing is about returning to the person God created you to be. The person with a voice. The person with value. The person with purpose. One of the most powerful things you can do is stop giving endless explanations to someone committed to misunderstanding you. You do not have to defend every boundary. You do not have to prove every feeling. You do not have to convince someone to respect your humanity. Sometimes silence becomes the answer. Sometimes distance becomes the boundary. Sometimes walking away becomes the strongest statement you can make. And this is where spiritual strength becomes important. Proverbs 4 verse 23 says, "Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it." You can forgive someone without giving them unlimited access to you. You can love someone without allowing them to continue harming you. You can pray for someone while protecting yourself from destructive behavior. Because stopping a narcissistic person does not mean destroying them. It means refusing to continue participating in the cycle that was destroying you. Maybe they expected you to come running whenever they pulled away, but you stopped chasing. Maybe they expected you to accept blame whenever they became angry, but you stopped carrying responsibility for things you did not do. Maybe they expected you to believe their version of reality, but you started trusting yourself again. Maybe they expected you to remain afraid of losing them, but you discovered something greater. You were more afraid of losing yourself. That realization changes everything. Instead of asking, "How can I make them understand me?" you begin asking, "How can I protect the person God is helping me become?" You stop organizing your life around their moods. You stop measuring your worth by their approval. You stop allowing their anger to determine your decisions. And little by little, you become free. Your attention belongs to your future. Your energy belongs to your healing. Your peace belongs to you. And your identity belongs to God. They may eventually realize they no longer have the same access to you. They may become charming. They may promise to change. They may remind you of good memories. But Remember, words are not transformation. Promises are not proof. Real change requires accountability, humility, consistency, and action. You do not have to prove someone is a narcissist to establish a boundary. You only need to recognize that certain behaviors are harmful to your peace. That is enough. You are allowed to say, "This behavior is no longer acceptable in my life." That is strength. That is wisdom. That is freedom. One day, you will realize you can be peaceful without them. You can smile again. You can sleep without analyzing every conversation. You can make decisions without fear. You can rediscover the person you were before manipulation convinced you that you were never enough. You were never too much for healthy love. You were simply asking the wrong person to provide what they were unwilling to give. So remember, you stop reacting. You start discerning. You stop chasing. You start choosing. You stop explaining. You start living. And eventually, the person who once believed they controlled your emotions discovers something they never expected. You no longer need their permission to be free. Thank you for being part of Narcissism Freedom. If this message spoke to your journey, please like this video, subscribe to Narcissism Freedom, and share this message with someone who may need encouragement today. Leave a comment below. I choose freedom over manipulation. Protect your peace, walk in wisdom, trust God's direction, and never forget. Sometimes the most powerful way to stop a narcissist is simply to stop giving them access to the version of you they once controlled.